what's up, Sam here. Today we are going to take a quick look at the Roborock S7 Pro Archer. I gotta say, this thing is really heavy. It gotta be something inside, right? Without further ado, let's get started. Ooh, Roborock! Please read the quick start guide on the buy for first time use. Quick start guide, and then we have a chunky manual. Let me check how many languages. 4 main languages. Wow! That's the machine. Wow. Okay. Power cable, disposable bag, disposable bag. Check it off. Ah, shooting unboxing from this angle is a really bad idea, isn't it? That's it. Dirty water tank, clean water tank, and we have, so this is like for the disposable bag. Alright, that's the unboxing and assembly. Basically no assembly. Alright, I will test it heavily in the next 2 days. Stay tuned for that. I'm Sammy. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.